Hi, welcome to MSE channel. In this clip, I introduce the image size, crop, and pen tools of Photoshop application for corrections and managing microscopic images. The Photoshop application should be used to improve the presentation of scientific achievements. It should be noted that using Photoshop application to cheat and change scientific facts is wrong and may have bad legal consequences. Review. In the previous clip, we saw that there are 3 tools to select a specific area. Next, by using the magic wand selecting the specific area completely automatically and pressing the delete button, that part will be deleted. Also, we saw that the stamp tool can copy the shape of an area on another area. For this purpose, we first hold the Alt key and click on the healthy part. Then, by clicking on the unhealthy point, the shape of the favorable part will be copied on it. At the top of the page, you can choose settings such as the diameter of the tool and its intensity. Image size. To send photos to scientific journals, the images must follow certain resolutions and sizes. For this purpose, the size of the image should be changed. To change the image size, select the Image Size option from the Image tab at the top of the screen. In the opened window, length, width, and resolution can be changed. For black and white images, a resolution of 300 pixels per inch is usually acceptable, but for color photos, the resolution should be 600 pixels per inch. The width of each photo in the article should be about 8 centimeters. Of course, this value can change according to the type of image, your goal, and the number of images together. The shape of a chain that you see connects the length and width. That is, if this key is active, by changing each of the length and width variables, that one will also change proportionally. But if this key is disabled, when the length or width is changed, that one will not change. Crop tool. Sometimes needs to cut a part of an image or divide a photo into 2 parts. In this case, the best option is to use the crop tool. To use the crop tool, click on its icon. Then click on the photo to activate this option. After selecting the desired area, cutting is done with a double click. To increase the accuracy in selecting the desired area, zoom in on the image. In this case, it is possible to move the cutting line with shorter steps. Pen tool. You may need a pen to write or create a special shape. Photoshop provides you with such a feature. For this purpose, click on the Pen tool option. In this header, you can choose to draw straight lines or free movement of the pen. First, I select the Pen tool option, which corresponds to a straight line drawing. By clicking on the page, drawing the line is activated. A smooth line is drawn on the desired point where you want the line to start and then clicking on the point where you want the line to end or where you want to change direction. At the top of the page, you can see the items that can be changed in the Pen tool. These variables include the type of line, which can be a straight line, a dotted line, or a dashed line, and its color. Also, the thickness of the line can be changed in this section. By selecting 3 or more points, you can create broken lines or shapes with straight lines. The format of this photo is black and white. For this reason, it is not possible to change the color of the line in this photo. To change the image format, go to the Image menu and select the Mode option. In this option, click on RGB, which stands for red, green, and blue, so that you can draw colored lines and shapes. In Pen Tool variables, you can fill the inside of the drawn shape or lines with the desired color or pattern. By selecting the Freeform Pen tool, lines can be drawn based on mouse movement. In this case, you can also color the inside of the drawn shapes. Thank you for watching this video.